Hi everyone, my name is Rashika. Welcome to my channel, Paper Magic Studio. In this video, I'll be showing you how to download an SVG file from Etsy and upload it into Cricut Design Space. This video will also help you if you have your own image that you have maybe on your desktop or in a different file on your computer and you want to get it into Cricut Design Space. This is very short, so just follow along and here we go. Here you will see an image I bought on Etsy. When you purchase an image from Etsy with the intent to use it with your Cricut, make sure you see that the purchase includes an SVG file as well as a PNG file so you can use both the cut and print to cut options with your Cricut. When you purchase an instant download on Etsy, you will need to access your orders and you should see this download button next to the image you bought. Click that download button and you should see your file downloading at the bottom of your browser. Open that file once it's finished downloading and you should see multiple file types in that folder. Here you'll see two file types you want, a PNG and an SVG. The SVG will typically have the internet browser icon in front of the name. Now go ahead and click Extract All and select a destination for your files. If I'm working on a project, I typically save the files to my desktop so that they're easily found. Then I later move them to a Cricut SVG and PNG folder. Click Extract and now your files should be on your desktop. Now that your files are on your desktop, we'll close these windows out and open Cricut Design Space. Go ahead and start a new project in Cricut Design Space, and on the left we're going to click that button that says Upload. Here you will see two options for uploading. You can upload an image or a pattern. For now we're choosing image. If you'd like to see a video on Cricut patterns, please comment below. Click on Upload Image and browse. Now you can navigate to your desktop and select the SVG file. Remember, the SVG file will have the browser as the icon, and if you hover over it, it should also read SVG in the file type. Click Open and you should see it in Design Space now. At this point, you can name your file whatever you'd like. You can see this is my second time doing it. And go ahead and hit Save. Now your image is ready to add to your project. You can see again, I've done this before, that's why I have two. Select your image and click Insert Image. Now that you have your image, you can see there may be multiple layers on the right there. This means the Cricut will cut both of these layers. If you don't want a layer included in your cut, you can always hide them by selecting the eye symbol on the right of the layer. Here you'll see this little dot, and if I don't want that dot to be cut, I can go ahead and click the eye symbol here and hide that little dot. Now you have your SVG file uploaded into Design Space and ready to cut. Please let me know if you have any questions and don't forget to subscribe for more videos on using your Cricut machine.